Hi friends, welcome to English classes. Now we will turn to the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns used with self and selves to reflect the action of verb on the subject. So it reflects the action of the verb. For example, let us do our work ourselves. So it shows that we do our work ourselves. And next example, he went to Mumbai himself. So it's reflect the action of verb on the subject. So this is reflexive pronoun. Rule number first for it: keep, stop, turn, qualify, bath, move, rest, and hide. Do not take a reflexive pronoun after them. Do not take reflexive pronoun after them. For example, you should keep yourself away from bad boys. So when we use keep in the sentence, we can't use them reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns which adds self, selves. These type of pronouns are called reflexive pronouns. So in this example, we can't use yourself here. Its right format is you should keep away from bad boys. We can't use here yourself, so remove yourself from here. Second example, he hide himself in the room. So he hide. After hide, we can't use himself here, so remove himself from here. Rule number second is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun can't be used as a subject object of a sentence unless a noun pronoun comes before it. So reflexive pronoun can't be used as a subject or object of a sentence. Reflexive pronoun cannot use as is subject and object of a sentence unless means till the end a noun pronoun comes before it. For example, myself Ram from Delhi. So it shows that myself, I said you earlier that, so it's wrong because we can't use as a subject of a sentence unless a noun comes before it, so it's not correct. Its correct format is I am Ram from Delhi, so it says correct statement. And second is yourself and he reached there in time. So yourself, there is no noun or pronoun, and we can't use yourself as a subject here. Here we can use you in place of yourself. You and he reached there in time. And example number C, I myself did this work. Here we can use myself because the rule is says that reflexive pronoun can't be used as a subject unless a noun comes before it. So we can use myself here. I myself did this work. And fourth one is Rohit went to the work from for myself. We can't use here myself, use here me. Remove myself here and use me. Now turn to the demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? It is used to point out towards a noun or pronoun, a noun and nouns. For example, this, that, these, those, such, and the same. These are the demonstrative pronouns. Its rule number first is this is used for some singular object person that is placed closer. This can be used for them that placed is closer, and these used for more than one object. These are singular object, or these are more than one object person that are placed far. Far means big distance. So this is the difference between this and these. For example, this is a cat. This is used for singulars, and this shows that it is near to the subject who speak. This is a cat. And second example for these are cats. These are used for plural nouns. So, and it shows the far distance. And rule number second is that is used for the distant thing person, and it's also a singular. And those is used for more than one distant thing person, it plural. That's plural is those. For example, this is that is a book, so it shows a book means singular form, and those are books, so it shows the plural nouns. And to avoid repetition of singular noun, that is used. In case of plural, those is used. So let's see the example. How the climate of Portugal is better than that of France. Here that means climate of France. And second one is the streets of London are wider those of Florida. So those of shows here the street of Florida. So it's avoid the repetition of singular noun. Okay. Now rule number third. One. One is very confusing one because it's one. One is used to avoid repetition of a singular countable noun. Singular countable noun. And ones is used to avoid the repetition of plural nouns. Let's see how. This is the new version, that is an old one. So one is used to avoid repetition of singular countable noun. Yeah. And these are new books, but those are old ones. So ones here shows the plural nouns, and don't use ones here. It's it means ones. It's another use in the sentence. So always remember, don't use ones in place of ones. Okay, thank you.